Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.
What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna do an unboxing and review video of Sakura Pigma Micron pens. There will be lots of tests in this video. So please watch it till the end. It will be very informative to you. So let's start. Oh no, the fine liners. And yes, the packaging is so good. As you can see, this set of Sakura Pigma fine liners contains total of 6 fine liners. There are different sizes of 005, 01, 03, 05, 08 and a brush. How to open this? Finally found the way of opening it. I like the design of each pens, they are so good. Now it's time for the test. There will be 4 tests of size is not a test, bleeding test, smudge test, color smudge test, and the price of it. So let's start with the size. I will show different sizes and their size in millimeter. Now it's time for the bleeding test. If you don't know what it is the test to see how much the ink bleeds in the other side of the page. We see, except the 0.8 and the brush, all the pens are good. In smudge test, we will give a line of each and see how much it smudges, and they are all perfect. In color smudge test, we will give a line and also give a bright color like yellow and see how much it smudges. As we can see, the 0508 and the brush smudges a little bit. The price in US dollar is approximately 9.5 and in Indian rupees it's almost 570. So in my opinion, the overall results are very good. According to price, they are cheap as compared to the quality. They are very good. Now it's time for the drawing test. Let's go. done, everybody. How do you like it? It was awesome. I think the Micron pens are very much better than the Artline pens which I had before. So, bye guys, stay tuned.